अस्सलामुअलैकुम जेंटलमैन मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। जेंटलमैन, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है शुड देयर बी अ सिंगल करिकुलम इन पाकिस्तान। जेंटलमैन, ये टॉपिक इंतहाई रिपीटेड है, जो बहुत दफ़ा लेक्चरेट और ग्रुप डिस्कशन के दौरान आ चुके हैं। सो आज हम इस टॉपिक पे बात करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Education is an essential part of every child's life. It helps them to learn new things, develop their skills, and become successful in their future. In Pakistan, there is a debate about whether there should be a single curriculum for all students or not. Some people believe that a single curriculum will help to promote unity and equality, while others think that it will limit diversity and creativity. A single curriculum means that all students will study the same subjects, follow the same textbooks, and take the same exams. This will ensure that all students receive the same education, regardless of their background or location. It will also promote unity among students, as they will have a common understanding of their education. However, some people argue that a single curriculum will limit diversity and creativity. Different regions of Pakistan have their own unique culture, language, and history. A single curriculum may not be able to cater to the needs of all students, and it may not reflect the diversity of Pakistan. It may also limit creativity, as the students will not be able to explore their own interests and talents. In my opinion, there should be a balance between a single curriculum and diversity. A single curriculum can be beneficial in promoting unity and equality, but it should also allow for flexibility and diversity. Students should be able to choose their own electives and explore their own interests. The curriculum should also reflect the diversity of Pakistan and include the history, culture, and language of different regions.